One 3-volt bulb. This one is positive going to the coil, turn with a magnet core, and this one is north magnet, and then this one is south, opposite side, and then this one metal is support for the magnet, push down, and this one is also a magnet. And then this one is connected to the positive and down to the negative. Very super bright. I think they are increasing of current here. This one magnet, north and south, and then there's one magnet, turn with coil.